Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 75. This is a revision worksheet of chapter number 12, Basics of Geometry. Dear students, you all know that Unlock 5 is open, so you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. Wear mask. Wear mask properly, follow physical distancing. Stay at least 6 feet from others. Maintain hand hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water, for at least 20 seconds. Remember, do not touch your face and do not share food or drinks with others. Now students, here we will solve some examples related to chapter number 12, Basics of Geometry. Now here we will discuss point, line, line segment. First we will discuss here point. A point is an exact location in a plane or space. Like if you mark one point here, so this is the exact location on this plane surface. A point has 0 length, 0 width and 0 height. It represents a position only. We represent a point by a dot like this and name it with a capital letter as point P. We'll give a name of this point P. Search any place like hospital, school, shopping mall, etc. on a Google map. So Google map shows exact location of these all places. Like tip of this marker. This is also example of point. Now line. A line is a straight path of points that extends on and on in the both direction without ever ending. Like this line extend to the both direction, and here we mark 2 points and give a name A and B. Point A and point B on line AB. A line is named by using any 2 points on a line like A and B. So the line given alongside is named as line AB, and this is a symbol of line, or line BA. Now there are mainly 3 types of line. Horizontal line. This is an example of horizontal line. Now vertical line. And curved line. Vertical line is also known as standing line, and the example of curved line like curved road, curved line of railway track, etc. Now line segment. A part of a line is called a line segment. And line segment having two endpoints, point A and point B. And here we will also give another name like P, Q, X, Y, etc. A line segment has a fixed length that can be measured. The points at which the line segment begins and ends are called its endpoints. Like A and B are the endpoints of this line segment. Every line segment has two endpoints. A line segment is named by using endpoints like line segment AB, and this is the symbol of line segment, or line segment BA. And line segment is also the shortest path between 2 points. Now here we will draw 10 centimeter line segment. First we will mark 2 points, first on a 0 and second on a 10. Now we join these 2 points and give them name X, Y. And the name of this line segment XY or line segment YX. And the total length of this line segment 10 centimeter. We also draw another line segment 6.5 centimeter. Now here we use this scale. First we mark point on 0 and next point on 6.5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And now we join this 2 points and give name P, Q. The total length of the line segment 6.5 centimeter, and write name PQ line segment or QP line segment. Now ray. A ray is a straight path that has one endpoint and goes on and on in one direction. Here we take 2 points, point P and Q. And ray has only one endpoint, so P is the endpoint of this ray and it goes only one direction, and here we take point Q. So the name of this ray P, Q, or we also write ray P, Q. This ray begins at point P and goes through point Q. It does not stop at point Q. We name the given ray as PQ ray, where the first letter is always endpoint and the symbol of ray like this. Examples of ray like rays from the sun and rays of light comes from electric bulb or bulb. Now the next example, name the rays and the line segments in the following figure. Like here, first we find rays. So the first ray YX, ray yx, comma, ray cf, ray cf, next ray df and df. These are three rays in this given figure. Now line segments. Now here the first line segment xy, line segment xy, next yd, next line segment yd, comma, line segment cd, cd and df. These are four line segments in the given figure. Now angles. An angle is a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. So here these are two rays meeting at common endpoint, and these two rays are known as arms of the angle, and this meeting point of these two rays are known as vertex. Now we give the name of these two rays OP and OQ. So here we write ray OP and ray OQ. So at point O, these two rays making an angle POQ angle. This is a symbol of angle POQ or angle QOP. These are two angles formed when these two rays meeting at common endpoint O. Here we write vertex point in the middle of these two. Now here interior and exterior of an angle. The region between the rays, this region between the rays is known as interior of the angle, and the region outside of the arms or rays are known as exterior of the angle. Points which lie on the interior side, these points are known as interior points, and the points which are located outside of the rays are known as exterior points. Figure, point D is the interior point, and point S exterior point, and C lie on the. Now measuring an angle. The instrument used for measuring angles is called protractor. This is the protractor, and this point is known as center mark, and the left hand side this line is known as zero line for outer scale, and these are outer scale of the protractor, and this line is known as zero line for inner scale, and these are inner scale of the protractor. So the diagram on the right shows a protractor. It has the shape of semicircle, and the angle
at the center is divided into 180 degree. The inner scale of the protractor is marked from 0 degree to 180 degree anti-clockwise, and the outer scale of the protractor is marked from 0 degree to 180 degree clockwise. Each small division is 1 degree. Like this small division is 1 degree. So this is the protractor which we use measuring an angle. So these are inner scale of the protractor and these are outer scale of the protractor. And this line is the 0 line for outer scale and this line is 0 line for inner scale, and this is a center mark. So here we use this protractor for making angles. Two rays form different types of angles like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Here first we discuss acute angle. So acute angle form between 0 and 90 degree. Now second, right angle. So 90 degree angle is known as right angle. Now third, obtuse angle. Angle formed between 90 degree and 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Now straight angle. So 180 degree angle is known as straight angle. Now reflex angle. So angle formed between 180 degree and 360 degree known as reflex angle. Now sixth, complete angle. So 360 degree angle is known as complete angle. Now the next example, what kind of angle is shown in each figure? So here the figure number A, here our end of clock move from one place to another place and it makes some angle. So here which type of angle is this? This is the 90 degree angle. So here we write right angle. Because it is 90 degree and we also measure this angle like this. This is a 90 degree angle. Now the next example, example number B. Which type of angle is this and which kind of angle is this? So here we measure this angle and we find this is 140 degree angle. And we all know that angle formed between 90 degree and 180 degree are known as obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now we will discuss lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. These are mainly three types of line. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that lie on the same plane and never meet, even if they are extended endlessly in the both directions. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other at a point. These two lines are intersect to each other in this point. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, when two lines or two intersecting lines meet to form right angles, they are called perpendicular lines. Like these two lines intersect in this point, and these both lines are perpendicular to each other. And this is a symbol of perpendicular. Like if we give the name of this line AB and line CD. So here we write line AB is perpendicular on line CD. Here we write parallel lines. Here is a rectangle PQRS, and here we find parallel lines. PQ is parallel to RS. Line segment PQ, here using parallel symbol, parallel to RS. Now the next, QR is parallel to PS. So here we write QR line segment is parallel to PS line segment. Now the next question, name the number of right angles the hover hand on the clock face turns through in the direction from 12 to 6. So here our hand move from 12 to 6. So first right angle made between 12 to 3, 12 and 3 here, and the second right angle formed between 3 and 6. So the total number of right angle 1, 2. So here we write 2 right angles formed between when our hand move from 12 to 6. Now example number B, 3 to 6. Here our hand move from 3 to 6. So here when it's moved 3 to 6, it's make only one right angle. So here we write one right angle.
Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.